Hello friends, welcome back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. In this project today, I'm going to be working with you guys, showing you the complete basic introduction to Python with files management. And after this video, I'll be working with you guys also in Python with MySQL. So you guys stay tuned. I'm going to be working with you guys. This is going to be like 45 videos, complete the file management, and we'll be showing you guys also working with you guys with the MySQL with the Python, and then we shall go back onto one another. Flask with the Python later on to show you and breaking up and coming up with an API applications. So without wasting time, please guys don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have never happened to subscribe to my channel, utilize this chance and time, and you do want to subscribe to my channel. So if you have never, just go to one of Chrome, your PC, and you just do one thing and go to YouTube if possible. And then underneath there, you just need to go on and search for OSP Pro. By the time you search for OSP Pro, it should definitely be in my platform, and this is it. You should go there, please give me support. So support me. This is the only way, guys, you can pay me back, because I don't need anyone to pay me a physical money. If anyone wants to pay me physically, don't worry. You can also comment down below, and you actually give me support via PayPal, or you can actually tell me how best you can help me. Now, without wasting time, here I've not come to market for money, but I've come to let you know what we need to talk about, and that's Python with a Flask. So Python with a file management. Now, what's a file? Now, this is what I've let you know. File is actually something important on the part of the web application or whatever. Mainly we use file on a web application. So Python has several functions for creating, reading, and one has updating up files and deleting them. So file has got different parameters and measures, or what is needed on to come up with such kind of stuff like that. I'm just going to come back down here on the PC. I have some PDF whatever here, so I'm just going to create up a new file management where we're going to be handling up our Python files. I'm just going to call it Python. Let's call it Python underscore file, so that we can have that all that settled with us. I'm going to just be using up this Python 3.7 so that we can have all things settled up on our PC. Now here we're going to be just coming up with this. We're going to make sure we have the following. We're going to be using Python 3.7, and I'm going to come back here on our PC, and like written here as normal. And now this is it. So this is where our project is going to be. So there's something I was going to let you guys know, that Python file handling, we have some keywords. So the key function way meaning working up with one of the files in Python always use a parameter called open. Like for instance, you just go back here a little bit. Open, that parameter open is for opening up a file. And this is what you have to know. Whenever you're using the word open, there are other 4 different methods. Now open means open up something like maybe a file, but we also have something called measures, or one as methods on how that file is going to be open. Like for instance, we have a file itself. Which file are we talking about? Where does it come from? 2, we need to read. Read is R. So this is it. This is what I'm talking about. We have file, that's a parameter, and then that's all that gives us just open. Then what goes inside the file here? We have one as R, which R stands for one as read, a file. Okay. We have one as A means append the file. You get? And we also have something called W. This one means simply write on the file. You get? Yeah, write on the file. And we also have the last parameter. Remember, I said there 4 is one as X, whereby X means create up a file. So those are the main few things that we're going to be learning today. One is called read, our append, and write. Then the create. You get? Where create is X. You get my point? So I hope you guys are going to be understanding whatever thing I'm going to be explaining to you guys here today. Now that gives us definitely a chance to write a Python file into our PC, and when you do that, you'll be in position to run up a given file. Now without wasting time, we also have another additional kind of methods that you can also use. Like you can also maybe use one as T. This T is actually for text. Actually, it's the default value whenever we're going to write a text mode or whatever. If our file is based on text, we use one as text T. And then B is for binary mode, like images. Without wasting time, let me just give you guys a simple example. Like if I say my files of file equals to open, so I'm going to just create something called file open. And don't forget, when I say open, we have to take our parameters. We have to give our stuff in. Like for instance, open from a file. So I'm just going to open up create a simple file here in our desktop. Remember, I should be having an extension.txt. So I'm going to simply say maybe hello. Remember that's going to be hello, but if you right click there and go to properties down here, we should find something called hello.txt. Okay? So anything inside there, we can always say maybe hey friends, maybe guys, maybe subscribe to OSP Pro, maybe website. So OSP Pro, maybe channel. Okay? So if definitely that's the case around here, what does this file going to do? I just need to go to file, save, or save as, whatever, go to desktop, and then I go simply look for Python, and then I look for Python files. Underneath that, I just need to do that. Yeah, again, just need to do that. Save that, or definitely save it there. Good. So if you click there and try to, this is a file, so I don't need it to be here anymore, because I've changed the directory where to save it, which is inside Python files, which is underneath here. And try to click there, we have this one, that's it. We can even go and change the format, okay? But that will take a little bit again long, which I don't know what to do it now. But that's it. Now, you just try to say that's what we have. You can always make that a little bit more, be kind of to have something reasonable. Save that always as usual. Good. Now we have that with us. Without this person making a lot of sound in the background, I am sorry for that. Let's try to create up a new file. So open up. Remember, I told you always you have the first parameter, which you always use. Like maybe if you want to read, whereby read in simple terms is W. But for this time around, just want to demonstrate something simple. We have the file, and that file is in the desktop, and that file is called blah blah. So without wasting time, we just use the other way to write stuff to use this one. So whereby you can simply say files or file whatever equals one minus open, and this gives us a chance to walk to the directory. Like for instance, I'm going to save this project inside where I've just saved the other previous stuff. So if I go to desktop, I look for Python, and I need Python, I look for whatever, and I can just call it test.python. Good. So that thing is going to definitely be inside here. So you're going to find it inside here on files, blah blah, like that. Good. So underneath there, I'm just going to give the name of the file because I want to open it up. Okay? I want to see that file. I want to read it. So the above code is the same as writing up and showing. So in this thing called term, I'm going to simply say text.txt. Remember, that's the clear stuff because I want to check whether that file will exist. And this is the file which is called the text. Actually, the file name is called hello. Sorry. The file name is called hello.text. Okay? So if I go there, try to click there, I say, try to run this file here. If there's going to get us an error, do not print anything but do not give us an error. Now, how do you write this? The same thing, we explain to you something later. This same thing is same as someone saying, you know what, that's the file, good. But I want that file to be having the following parameters. Go to open. Now we need to write on that given file. So definitely, I remember saying there is something called a T, where T stands for text files. So you can definitely go further and write also with one as hello, but the txt. But don't forget, whenever you write in txt, if that's the name of the file, we also need to give something like maybe the txt format, whereby it's RT for read and write. I mean read and actually read that text file that we're talking about this time around. So that will definitely give us a chance to read the text file. But remember, however much I comment this, execute this. So what's going to happen here? Try to run this model. There's nothing you're going to produce outside. So what am I trying to mean here? This statement on the file is same as this statement on the same file. So that implies any of the two that you want to use can simply work for you out. So if I remove that there down and try to say maybe print for me here. Print for me. Print from what? Print from the file. because that's what we are looking at the moment. So definitely the program should be impossible to print for us that given file. And if I try to click run, it will get that file down there printed for us, telling us, oh, you want to say that file called txt, alright, what is this encoding to this given kind of digits. So that's a simple way how we do that. So I'm going to be showing you guys on the next video on how to go further with the files, writing read what. So whereby now here, if I'm going to explain to you, we have this part of the file, the same as that one, and we have RT here, where like I told you initially that R is for read and T is for text. And that's the default value, so you cannot need to specify them, so you can always use that as that. So you can either use the first one where you just say hello.txt, TAXT, or you go to the second one where you have to specify the version read and then text for me that given file. So guys, thanks for watching this video. On the next video, I'm going to be showing guys how to read the Python files, how to read the files in Python. So stay tuned. Thank you.